Hey you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make cauliflower mashed potatoes. I'm going to take one head of cauliflower. We're going to disregard the bottom, cut it in half, break it into florets. We're going to add it to a colander. We're going to rinse it off under cold water. Next, in a medium or large pot, we're going to bring some water to a boil. We're going to steam the cauliflower for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now that the cauliflower is ready, we're going to take the cauliflower and place it in a blender, or if you have a potato masher, that's fine too. Mash or blend this for 30 seconds. Now, using a small or medium pot, we're going to empty the cauliflower into the pot. Add in some butter. Onion powder, garlic powder, accent, salt, add some pepper. Now we're going to give this a good mix and enjoy, you guys.